My name is Leti Ramirez and I'm the editor of No Estás Solo, Recetas para obtener éxito de padres para padres, and You're Not Alone, Recipes for Success by Parents for Parents. This is a magical journey that we took with parents to answer the questions that they had identified as essential for them to learn the educational system in the United States. We have questions such as, how do we teach reading at home? How do we teach writing? How do we teach them how to work with their math or science at home? What is bilingual education? Special education? How to keep a budget? How to save money? How to do budgets? So 50 chapters in Spanish, 52 in English, and they help you to help your child succeed in school and in life. So please, $15, and the proceedings go to support parents' scholarships. They're at Velasquez Press. Give them a call.